dragging it. How will you squish it? I'm dragging. You're dragging me.
You gotta push down the baby. Push down on the left stick.
Let go of me.
There you go.
Let go of me. You're pulling me.
I can't believe he's keeping up.
I know. He's leading right now.
Wow.
Grab.
Grab a hold. Grab a hold.
He doesn't know how to grab. Oh, he's just going.
Uh-oh.
You gotta wait, Brady. There,
He's
grab.
coming back.
Go.
Sorry, Jaden. Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1.
Not sorry.
Why?
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Is he just this?
He's just a regular one.
Oh, come on.
I don't know if I can see this on here. Uh-oh. Where is he?
I did.
Oh, look. Is he the only one
I
going?
did that.
Yeah, that's Brady.
There's Brady.
Flip it down.
Get on the train.
Flip it down. He can't grab. That's all right.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, he's still alive.